Meet Porky. Porky works hard, finds some truffles, but dreams of a giant truffle mountain. He needs more truffles now to buy a super-duper truffle-finding machine. So Porky goes to the big pig bank. The banker pig says, "Sure, Porky, here are your truffles, but when you give them back, you gotta give us some extra truffles too." Those extra truffles? That's the interest rate. The most important interest rate in Pigland is decided by the Big Pig Bank. That's like the Federal Reserve in the human world. They control how much extra Porky and all other pigs have to pay to borrow truffles, or how many extra truffles they get for saving. Why do they do this? To keep the whole truffle economy healthy. They want every pig to have a job finding truffles, and they want truffle prices to stay stable. If inflation, a big hungry monster making truffle prices go crazy, appears, the Big Pig Bank makes borrowing truffles more expensive to slow everything down. If things are too slow, they make borrowing truffles cheaper to speed things up. So, what happens when interest rates are high? Well, Porky wants a shiny new truffle truck, but now borrowing truffles for it means paying a lot of extra truffles back. Porky sighs. Maybe he'll walk instead. On the bright side, Porky's savings account starts growing faster. He puts truffles in the bank, and without even digging, he gets more extra truffles back. Yay for saving! It's not just Porky. Small truffle businesses find it super expensive to borrow truffles to expand. So they don't buy new equipment, they don't hire more truffle diggers, and sometimes, sadly, they have to let some pigs go. Even the Big Pig government feels it. They borrowed a mountain of truffles to build giant, luxurious pig pens for everyone. But with high interest rates, they have to pay a lot more extra truffles just for those old debts. That means fewer truffles for new mud baths or better roads. And internationally, when interest rates are high in Pigland, foreign pigs think, "Wow, putting my non-truffle money in Pigland's banks gives me so many extra truffles." So they buy more Pigland truffles, or dollars, making the Pigland truffles stronger. This makes importing fancy imported truffles cheaper, but selling Pigland's homegrown truffles abroad becomes more expensive. So, interest rates are the Big Pig Bank's main tool to keep the truffle economy balanced. It's a delicate dance. They try to fight that hungry inflation monster without making all pigs lose their jobs. It affects everything. Porky's new truck, his savings, small businesses, even the government's budget. Understanding interest rates helps Porky make smart truffle decisions. Liked this video? Squeal with delight and subscribe for more Porky economics. More videos, more pigs, more truffles.